Hello students, in this video we will be talking about the psychrometric process sensible cooling. Sensible cooling is the cooling of air without any change in its specific humidity. That means when the specific humidity remains constant and the air is cooled, then it is called sensible cooling. In this diagram here we have taken a cooling coil which is cooled with the help of a refrigerant. Air is gone into the cooling coil at temperature T1 and leaves the cooling coil at temperature T2 or T2. The temperature of the cooling coil is taken as TD3. You have to keep in mind that TD2 will be greater than TD3 because TD3 is the source temperature, so its temperature will be less than what TD2 will be. So our main purpose is to cool down TD1 to TD2. That means temperature TD1 to be reduced to TD2. If you see on the psychrometric chart, then the process will take in place from 1 to 2 in the opposite direction of the graph. That means from right hand side to left hand side. 1 to 2 is showing the sensible cooling process. These respective temperatures are of the dry bulb temperature. TD1, TD2, TD3 are the dry bulb temperature. At this point we will get the dew point temperature. If you extend the line from points 1 to 3, you will get H1, H2, H3. These are the enthalpies. If you draw the curved lines from these points, you will get phi1 and phi2. Phi1 and phi2 are the relative humidities. In this direction of the graph, the relative humidity, that means the value of phi increases if you go in this direction, but if you go in this direction, then relative humidity decreases. But in this process the relative humidity is increasing. So now if we see the mathematical aspects, then heat rejected during sensible cooling is H1 minus H2 and the specific humidity remains constant. That means W1 is equals to W2. Dry bulb temperature reduces from TD1 to TD2. That means the value of TD1 will be greater than TD2 because our main purpose is to reduce the dry bulb temperature. Relative humidity increases from phi1 to phi2. Now if we see the heat rejected, that will be equals to H1 minus H2. The enthalpy is difference. If you solve this with the help of Cp delta T, you will get Q is equals to Cpm TD1 minus TD2, where Cpm is the humid specific heat, which value is 1.022 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So this was the psychrometric process sensible cooling. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching.